Aware that barely 4 days ago I had spoken to you and briefed you in detail about the enhancements in access and communication facilities and further facilitations that were being provided in Kashmir as well as Jammu divisions of J&K. In the Kashmir division, these included broadband facilities for essential services such as banks, government offices, and facilities for trade, tourism and travel establishments, and 400 additional internet kiosks. In the Jammu division, these included 2G connectivity on postpaid mobiles for accessing whitelisted sites in 5 identified districts. It was also clarified that the overall effort shall be to facilitate and to keep restrictions to the bare minimum based on the ground situation. Consistent with the above philosophy, Jammu and Kashmir. Further, in order to consider provision of mobile internet connectivity on such SIM cards, the telecom service providers shall initiate the process of verification of credentials for these subscribers as per available norms for postpaid subscribers. 2. Internet service providers, both BSNL and private service providers, will provide fixed line internet connectivity with precautions as already directed to all companies engaged in the software services sector. 3. 2G mobile data services on postpaid mobiles for accessing whitelisted sites shall be allowed in all 10 districts of Jammu division and to begin with in the 2 revenue districts of Kupwara and Bandipora in the Kashmir division. Mobile internet connectivity shall however remain suspended in Srinagar, Budgam, Ganderbal, Baramulla, Anantnag, Kulgam, Shupian and Pulwama. The telecom service providers are being issued instructions to operationalize the above directions immediately after providing for all the safeguards detailed in the order issued today by the competent authority. There is one more issue I want to share with you. You are aware that as part of a special public outreach program, 36 union ministers are visiting Jammu and Kashmir this week, where they will participate in 60 public outreach programs throughout the length and breadth of Jammu and Kashmir. The visiting ministers will interact with the people and speak to them on the overarching theme of development. You are also aware that the administration has decided that there will be 55 beneficiary-oriented schemes which will receive 100% coverage for all eligible residents of Jammu and Kashmir. In addition, the focus will be on rapid infrastructure development, implementation of PNDP, flagship schemes, iconic projects, good governance, rule of law, equal opportunity to all, rapid industrial growth with employment, and rapid economic growth in all sectors of the economy with a special focus on income enhancement for all. Thank you very much.